Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to connect Facebook to Instagram. So, let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Tap Edit Profile to open your profile editing options. Scroll down to the section labeled Public Business Information or Profile Information, depending on whether you have a professional or personal account. This section contains information that's publicly displayed on your profile. Tap Page to open the options for connecting your Facebook page. Here, you'll be given the option to create a Facebook page or connect an existing page. If you already have a Facebook page you want to connect, choose Connect an Existing Page and select the desired page from the list of pages you manage. If you don't have a Facebook page set up yet, you can tap Create a Facebook Page and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new one. This might be a good option if you're a content creator or influencer looking to build a presence on both platforms. Once you've chosen your Facebook page or created a new one, tap Connect to initiate the connection process. You might be prompted to log in to your Facebook account to verify your identity. Now that your accounts are connected, you can even enable automatic cross-posting between them. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.